Hey guys, Mike Arrington here. Today I will be giving you the rundown on Chrysos lending token. Uh, Before we get started, I would just like to say this is not financial advice. I am not in a position to tell you what you should do with your money or how you should invest it, but I am giving my personal opinion on why Chrysos token can be very, very, very profitable in 2018. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, we're starting here at www.chrysoscoin.com. As you can see, the website looks pretty legit, guys. We're currently in phase 3 of the ICO. One Chrysos coin is going for about $1.25, but there's still a lot of room for profit here. So at this price, you have about 4 days and 7 hours to, you know, get your tokens, guys, and I would recommend that you get in at the lowest price you can. These coins are selling fast, guys. There's a lot of hype behind Chrysos right now. As you can see, they have a pretty good messaging system, and this is 24/7. If you have any questions, the team is always there to provide full support for you guys. So yeah, this is pretty cool. About Chrysos. So Chrysos is a peer-to-peer lending program where they pretty much are introducing this new concept to us called peer lending. So real quick, guys, I just want to say that when you invest into a new um, stock or coin, you're really looking for uh, something that stands out. And this to me is very unique. Chrysos coin has this unique feature where you get 100% of your assets back at full maturity of your loan. So if you guys don't really understand what that means now, we'll get into it later, but there's a lot of room for huge profit here, guys. So here's the token sale. Chrysos token, the token sale event has been held for 30 days. They started with a pre-ICO at 50 cents. I can't believe I missed that, but I got in at 85 cents, and I'm still going to see huge gains here. When Chrysos hits the exchange, they're expected to hit the exchange at about $14 and increase day by day because of demand and limited supply. Um, there will be 6 phases of this ICO, so there is time to get in, but you want to get in for the lower price if you can, and it's going fast. So the lending program, just like any other lending program, they have their different tiers of investments and daily profits. If you were to get 100 Chrysos coins, then at time of the ICO, when Chrysos hits the market at $14, you will have then made 14 times returns. Guys, that's insane. You cannot miss up on this opportunity. I'm telling you, it's going fast, and there will be a lot of profit here to be made, guys. So the pretty cool thing about Chrysos is that when your loan is complete, you will get back all your coins. If you guys are familiar with BitConnect or other lending programs, you get paid uh, your loan back in US dollars. And to reinvest that money in their platform, you have to then buy their tokens, and it becomes a hassle. But here, you get back your initial investment at market value, and all your tokens back. It's amazing, guys. This is called pure lending, and it's the future to cryptocurrency lending programs. So, Chrysos has a referral program. There's different levels, guys. Once the ICO is over, you will also receive a commission rate for everybody that you have referred. Here's the roadmap. So Chrysos has been in the works for about a year now. They started their concept planning back in January 17, and they've been diligently working ever since. So now, if we fast forward through time, we're currently in January 2018 in the ICO of the Chrysos token, and the opening price is set at $14. That's huge. So if we backtrack just a little bit here, um, you could have bought this token for 50 cents. Um, like I said, guys, I got in at 85 during phase one. But there's nothing wrong with getting in at $1 and 85 cents, because when this token hits market at $14, you will have made a huge profit, guys. And in February, the projected price is set for $24, and by March, they are hoping that the Chrysos token can be worth a market value of $42. This is a great opportunity, guys. Even if it doesn't hit $42, you still made huge profits just by participating in the ICO. Why not? It's a no-brainer. So, this is a little bit more of the website. They have frequently asked questions for guys who want to know more about ICOs, ladies and gents. Excuse me. You can click on any one of these links and get more information on Chrysos, or just general information for that matter. So let's show you guys the dashboard whenever that decides to load. Okay, here we are. So we're at the Chrysos dashboard. It's pretty plain. As you can see, this is what a lending platform usually looks like, but it's very bare. It is in the works, and when the ICO is up, this all will get changed around, guys. But right here you can see I have 117 Chrysos tokens, 0 referrals. You can transfer your money, and you can withdraw your tokens. So this is pretty cool, guys. The thing about Chrysos is that they accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. This is awesome. I personally use Litecoin to buy my Chrysos. It took about 30 minutes, and I was able to view the transaction on the blockchain, and the tokens were distributed to my account very shortly after confirmations were made. So guys, here. This is Chrysos. If you have any questions about this ICO or this coin, please feel free to comment below on the video. And if you would like to get into Chrysos coin, please use my referral. I will also have that posted with this video as well. So guys, happy investing, happy trading, and I wish you all the best of luck. Let's do what we can to really build our current capital in 2018. So guys, this is Mike Arrington here. I want to thank you all for watching this video. You guys are awesome.